time, everybody. Hope you're doing alright this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. donkeystomper.com. Alrighty guys, this is going to be a 3-in-1 for one customer. He got him a new 200V with sideband bias and sideband delay. That'll be to start with. And then we're going to do a custom 4-pill and then a 8-pill donkey stomper repair. All in one video. Get her done. We got to get things on the show on the road. Got a bunch of repairs we got to get out. Still got 3 more bills, 2 ASAP. I'm waiting on the case for a 2x8. And I've got the cabinet for 16-pill mobile, so I might start it next. Trying to get everybody caught up, get everything done. We got a lot to do if I'm going to go on a little trip. Got to get it done this month. Plus I got a tractor puller too this month. Alrighty guys, let's take a look at this 2-pill. There it is, 200V-HG 2-pill. We'll start out like we do with our straight through SWR. Hello worldwide. Hello worldwide. Get on down. 0. Turn him on. Look at our bar wide open. Input SWR and output power. Hello worldwide. Hello worldwide. 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 Some really good numbers for a 2-pill. Worldwide. Worldwide. It's a hot one. Get on down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello worldwide. Worldwide, wide. We'll go over here to outdoor dummy load real quick. Outdoor dummy load. Well, we can get the coax up there. Alright. Outdoor dummy load. Looking at our LP100. Hello worldwide. Hello worldwide. 1, 2, 3. Colossal outdoor dummy load. 2-pill, 200V-HG. New, you want one of these? donkeystomper.com. Alright guys, we'll stop this a minute. We'll get this other box hooked up and we'll come right back. Alright guys, we got the, this is a 6-pill mobile. Straight 6. From another builder. I didn't build this. All I did was put one transistor in it, get it back up and running. It had one blowed. Checked everything, no imbalances. Everything's good to go. Input output SWR looks good, and that's all we done to it. Start out looking at our straight through SWR. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Turn him on. Radio drive. Hello, worldwide. Radio drive. 6-pill, worldwide. Radio drive. Radio drive. We're on at 14.7. 40-watt swing in. 1, 2, 3. Go hit the driver. Hello, driver, driven. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting on. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, we're going to go over here and get on the outdoor dummy load and double check this unit. On the outdoor dummy load. Look at our LP100A, start on the radio drive. Hello, 1, 2, well, hold on, I got a bad connection. Hello, radio drive, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So radio drive, outdoor dummy load, 544 and some change. So our SWR is 1, 2, 1, 2. Good output SWR, get on down, get on down. Wide. This coming through my microphone a little bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Gonna hit the driver on the outdoor dummy load. Hello, driver. And I made it come through big time. Hello, 1100 and some change. Get on down, get on down. There she is. Alright guys, we got that one done. Now we're going to do a repair review on the Donkey Stomper 8-pill base. I will be right back in just a minute. Alrighty guys, we got a Donkey Stomper 8-pill base box, 110 volts. It's for a good customer and good friend of mine. We went all the way through it. We put all the transistors in it. Went through retuned input and output. Did several other things, new feedback, several different things we did to it. Just went through with a fine-tooth comb, trying to get it just right for you. Gentlemen like to do a lot of sideband, so we tried to go through it and get it really clean. You get the tune on it just right. Straight through SWR, worldwide, almost none, get on down. Input SWR, be watching the meter on the right, and the LP700 radio drive. Input SWR radio drive, input SWR radio drive, worldwide, where it is biased for sideband, and Class B bias, and sideband delay, and all that good stuff. Alright, we'll hit it with the driver. Hit it with a 2-pill, get on Donkey Stomper, 1, 2, 3, wide. I do have the decky low, so the average is not to the peak maximums. Look here. Says the decky in like 20 something watts. If I turn the decky up, it'd do a little more average, but we ain't worried about that. Worldwide. Look at our birds up here, 5-watt reverse, half-watt reflect, 2500 watt PUP. Hello, worldwide, about 16 on the bird. Really good tune on this baby. Like I said, I really went through it. This gentleman's he's a really good customer and kind of become a pretty good friend too, so we went through with fine-tooth comb, try to fix him up. We're on the Colossal Outdoor Dummy Load, back with radio drive. Hello, worldwide. There's Colossal. Look over there on you, LP100A. Get on down, look at that SWR. Get on down. Hit the driver. Hello, worldwide. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 17 and some change. SWR, look at that. 17 and some change. Get on down. Worldwide. Working my 8-pill, my little 8-pill base box. Getting on down, Donkey Stomper. But there she is. She's all ready to go for you, bud. Appreciate the business. Alright guys, we're going to end this video. Appreciate y'all watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. It's DonkeyStomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend in 10, 01A Babies, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later on. Bye-bye.